Bonjour! Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Richa Kaur and today's grammar topic is les articles, part 1. In this part, I will cover the indefinite articles as well as definite articles. Followed by this, I'll also cover the contracted articles and partitive articles in another part. So let's begin. Les articles indéfinis, that is the indefinite articles. The indefinite articles and in are used to tell us the gender of the noun. They are translated as or an and they are used for singular nouns. Is used for masculine singular and in is used for feminine singular. The indefinite article they is used for plural nouns irrespective of the gender. It is translated as some in English. Usually in French, to make a noun plural, we add an S at the end of the word. However, I have already covered how to make the plural of nouns in detail. I'll attach the link of the video in the description for your reference. So here are some examples. For singular masculine, a balloon, a balloon. For singular feminine, in glass, an ice cream. And the plural becomes des ballons. As I have already told you, the indefinite article and in change to they in plural. And we add an S usually to make the plural of the noun. Des ballons or des glaces. A papillon, a butterfly. In pomme, an apple. Des pommes or des papillons. Next is les articles définis, that is the definite articles. In French, the definite articles are used to denote objects that are known to the speakers. In English, it is equivalent to the. Le is used for masculine singular, la is used for feminine singular, les is used for plural, and L apostrophe is used for singular before vowel or muted H. Here are some examples. Le kiwi, that is the kiwi in masculine singular, la raisin, that is the grapes, la pêche, the peach in feminine singular, la fraise, the strawberry. So in plural, if there's a vowel or a muted H, we use L apostrophe to represent the. That is the bananas, la nana, le kiwi, the kiwis, l'orange, the orange, and les fraises, the strawberries. This is it for this part of articles. If you have any doubts or queries, I would be happy to answer them in the comments. If you like the video, do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Merci.